Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install PuTTY in your computer in a very simple way. PuTTY is a classic SSH client for connecting to remote servers from Windows. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for PuTTY PuTTY download, and then you're going to get the first website. Click on that, click on download PuTTY, and from here you have to select 64-bit. Click on that, click on download, and it's completed. Now if you click on the folder icon, you're going to get the setup. Click on it 2 times to install, and now you have to just simply minimize all of your background tab, and then you have to click on next, and install. There will be a permission. Click yes, and it's done. Simple. So now if you simply close it, and the PuTTY is rightly installed in a computer, and it's a classic SSH client for connecting to remote server from Windows. If you want to know how you can simply use it, then you can simply comment below and I'm going to show you how you can simply use that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.